How to prepare outdoor terrazzo flooring base with regular cement in this detailed tutorial. We walk you through the complete process of preparing an outdoor terrazzo flooring base using regular cement, a proven, budget-friendly method that ensures a strong, stable, and long-lasting foundation for outdoor terrazzo installation. Whether you're working on a patio, courtyard, walkway, or any exterior surface, this step-by-step guide covers everything from surface preparation and leveling to proper cement mixing ratios, moisture control, and curing techniques. Outdoor spaces face unique challenges like temperature changes, rain exposure, and foot traffic, so getting the base preparation right is essential for a durable, crack-free terrazzo floor that lasts for years. Follow along as we demonstrate professional techniques used by experienced tile and terrazzo installers to help you achieve a smooth, solid, and perfectly leveled surface ready for terrazzo tile or poured terrazzo application. Checkmark complete outdoor terrazzo base preparation process. Checkmark proper cement and sand mixing ratios for outdoor durability. Checkmark surface cleaning and preparation before laying the base. Checkmark achieving the correct slope for water drainage outdoors. Checkmark leveling techniques for a smooth, even foundation. Checkmark moisture barrier tips to prevent future cracking. Checkmark curing time and care instructions for long-lasting results. Checkmark common mistakes to avoid when preparing outdoor floors. Checkmark tools and materials needed for the job. Checkmark professional tips for working in outdoor, exterior conditions. Question mark frequently asked questions. Q. What is the best cement to sand ratio for outdoor terrazzo base preparation? A. For outdoor terrazzo bases, a ratio of 1 part cement to 4 parts sand is commonly used, adjusted based on climate and expected load. This tutorial shows the exact mix we use for durability against weather exposure. Q. Do I need a slope for outdoor terrazzo flooring? A. Yes, outdoor terrazzo surfaces need a slight slope, usually 1–2%, to allow proper water drainage and prevent cooling, which can damage the base over time. We demonstrate how to achieve this slope accurately. Q. How long should the cement base cure before installing terrazzo? A. Curing time typically ranges from 24 to 72 hours depending on weather conditions, humidity, and temperature, though full strength develops over about 28 days. We cover proper curing care in this video. Q. Can regular cement be used for outdoor terrazzo instead of specialized products? A. Yes, regular cement can be effectively used for outdoor terrazzo base preparation when mixed and applied correctly, offering a cost-effective alternative to specialized terrazzo underlayment products. Q. What tools do I need for this project? A. You'll need a trowel, level, screed board, mixing tools, a wheelbarrow or mixer, and basic measuring tools, all of which are shown and explained throughout the tutorial. Q. Is this method suitable for beginners? A. Yes, this guide is designed to be beginner-friendly while still offering valuable insights for experienced installers looking to refine their outdoor terrazzo preparation technique. Movie camera. For more tiling, terrazzo, and flooring tutorials, make sure to subscribe to Ighoud Ceramic Tiles and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. We regularly share practical, real-world installation techniques for ceramic tile, porcelain, terrazzo, marble, and Moroccan zellage work. Phone. Have a project or need professional advice? Feel free to reach out. Contact info in the channel description. Thumbs up if this video helped you. Please like, comment, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Preparing an outdoor terrazzo base is not just about mixing cement and sand. It's a technical process that determines whether your flooring will last 5 years or 25. In this extended section, we go deeper into every stage of the preparation process, covering the science behind why each step matters, the environmental factors that affect outdoor cement work, and the professional-grade techniques that separate amateur results from long-lasting, crack-resistant terrazzo foundations. Hammer. Understanding the substrate before you start. Before any cement touches the ground, the existing substrate must be evaluated. Outdoor surfaces are typically compacted soil, gravel, or an existing concrete slab. and each requires a different preparation approach. Compacted soil needs a stable gravel base of at least 10 to 15 cm to prevent settling and future cracking. Gravel bases must be compacted in layers, not all at once, using a plate compactor to avoid air pockets that lead to sinking. Existing concrete slabs need to be checked for cracks, unevenness, and proper drainage slope before a new cement layer is applied on top. Skipping this evaluation step is one of the most common reasons outdoor terrazzo floors fail within the first 2 years. Thermometer. Why weather and climate matter so much. Unlike indoor flooring work, outdoor terrazzo base preparation is heavily influenced by weather conditions. Cement cures through a chemical hydration process, not simply by drying. And this process is extremely sensitive to temperature and humidity. In hot climates, the surface can dry too quickly, causing shrinkage cracks before the cement reaches proper strength. This is why we cover techniques like misting the surface, using curing compounds, and working during cooler parts of the day. In colder or rainy climates, cement needs protection from moisture until it sets. And we explain how to use temporary covering methods to protect fresh cement from unexpected rain. Wind exposure is another overlooked factor that can cause uneven surface drying, leading to visible cracking patterns later on. Triangle ruler. The importance of correct slope calculation. A properly calculated slope is one of the most critical, and most often mistaken, elements of outdoor floor preparation. Without adequate slope, water pools on the surface, seeps into micro cracks, and over time causes the base to deteriorate from underneath, leading to lifting, cracking, and terrazzo tile detachment. In this guide, we show you exactly how to calculate the correct slope percentage based on the size of the area, how to mark reference points using a laser level or string line, and how to screed the cement to follow that slope consistently across the entire surface, even on large patios or driveway areas. Brick mixing ratios explained in detail. While the basic ratio of cement to sand is important, several other factors affect the final mix quality. Water to cement ratio, sand grain size and cleanliness, and whether additives are used. Using sand with too much clay or organic material weakens the mix and increases the risk of cracking. We explain how to test sand quality on site, how much water to add for a workable but not overly wet consistency, and when it makes sense to add plasticizers or fiber reinforcement for extra durability in high-traffic outdoor areas. Hammer and wrench. Step-by-step tools. Breakdown compactor, tamper for preparing and stabilizing the gravel base. Screed board for leveling the cement to the correct slope. Spirit level and laser level for accuracy.